Hi everyone. I think now market right. FCPO is good signal and good case study. Now we waiting FCPO to move down, same as our scenario on last night. Let me show you right now. We try to apply rocket pattern that may help accelerate FCPO to move down. Now, right, if we measure Y1 and comparing with Y2, you already saw Y1 is longer than Y2. After Y1 longer than Y2, right, we focus on this. We use this to measure this because we want to set up our criteria. Our criteria is very simple. If price rebound less than X1, that means have chance to become rocket pattern. One more round. If price rebound less than X1, that means have chance to become rocket pattern. And now we apply the ratio between T1 and T2. Okay, T1 and T2. In this part, right, if we measure this, I think seller a bit more aggressive than buyer. Seller a bit more aggressive than buyer. That means it's positive for move down. And if we try to measure T1 here and T2 here, here, you may saw that now is seller more aggressive. In this case, after seller more aggressive than buyer, what we should do? We set up. We found when market rebound, we found look like head of gangster at first floor. When head of gangster at first floor, right? We hope we should see a reversal pattern that's significant. That means we support here to become center. We support here to become action, and we support here to become reaction. We waiting this to show us the reaction. If the reaction, right, make this pattern a strong reversal down, we may apply this for entry and put stop loss here. But now this candlestick is not complete yet. This candlestick still have time because this is a 50-minute chart. That means this candlestick will end at the 15. Now it still have time. If candlestick here or reversal pattern here not confirmed, is mean you cannot action. One more round. If this candlestick not confirmed, that means you cannot action, because if they show longest black candlestick here, that means you can entry and put stop loss here. After you put stop loss, you just follow the trend. The trend is may confirm, will signal confirm. You cannot close eye and sell, because in technical analysis we also need signal to confirm. Okay, I think this is my analysis that many students want me to analyze market real time for our member. Don't forget, future market is very volatile, it's very dangerous. You cannot entry and exit without stop loss. Stop loss is very important. But how to set up stop loss? Okay, this is a knowledge that you must learn. Okay, I think it's good enough. But let me give you some idea because last night we consider fbmkl. fbmkl, last night we already mentioned fbmkl is moved sideways. Okay, if you didn't see my analysis or see my opinion, you should okay. In this picture, right, market moves sideways as a ascending triangle. In this case, right, you already saw the ratio between T1 and T2. The T1 that presents seller is more aggressive. This also is same. Seller aggressive than buyer. That's why market move down in future. And I want you to monitor this. If you entry short, right? If you entry short, this is your benchmark to stop loss if anything happen. I just refer to ARTT methodology. This is benchmark. This is long black candlestick. Okay, this is benchmark. Someone asked me that if price touch here it means stop loss. No, this is just hit first criteria. First criteria, if you don't want to take risk, you cut some part. If market retrace again and move lower than previous low, you still hold your position. If market touch here and retrace here and cannot move lower than previous low, you cut off. If you hold short position and you are short-term trader. For strategy, for long-term and short-term, it's different. It depends on you. Okay. Now market still didn't action anything. I hope this candlestick support to become doji. Okay, because doji cannot identify direction. If doji cannot identify direction, maybe we use next candlestick to identify reaction. Okay, I think it's good enough for today. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.